Hi, my name is Josh Westerhouse, and this is Computer Science 3 or CSCI 330 Implementation Part C. Everything is the same as the first two. The only difference we're doing in this one is in our recipe we had to add a total get calories, get total protein, and a get total carbs. Which once you figured out one, it's pretty simple. The main thing was you need to initialize the sum. It's a pretty simple standard common loop algorithm for where you just get a sum. Main thing is you get the error checking right here. So if I equals 0, and I being the size of our ingredients, so basically if we have no ingredients, we'll return 0. Otherwise, what we do is we go down here and we just go through all the ingredients. Again, J is our max size, or J is what goes through it, and then as I is our size of it, it goes through all the ingredients and adds them all together. This one is it gets a total of calories. Same thing with our tester class here. It's the same thing as the previous ones. We create all of our ingredients. We add our ingredients to the recipe. We go ahead and print all the ingredients in the recipe. We kind of do a pause so we can kind of see where we're at. And then for this implementation, we have to get the total calories. So I do a system.out.print. I get the total calories. And then for error validation, what I do is I create a secondary recipe, which is right here. And then I try and test that out. So basically the only two options we'll have is if there are nothing in there and if there is something in there. So those are the two error conditions that we have to test. So let's go ahead and run our program here and see what we get. Alright, so this is our ingredients that we have. We'll go ahead and this is our tactical pause, so we'll put something in here. And then as you can see, the calories of the first recipe is 1550. So that should be all of the calories added up, which is correct. I've already done the math. So the calories of the second recipe is 0 because the other one has no ingredients, so it passes all the error validation. That should be it as far as I know. Again, I mean, I only did the calories, but as you can see when we go back to our recipes, that the get the total protein is the same, and then the get total carbs is the same. And same thing, trying to have decent programming practices. Make sure I do the what's that called right there? The Java doc comments and all that stuff like there. So again, my name is Josh Westerhouse for CSCI 330, and this is my implementation part C.